Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me, Gian, and just recently I signed up for Makeup Academy's basic makeup classes. It's 3,000 pesos and I think around 6 sessions at 30 minutes to an hour each. And they have um, sent me a list of materials na kakailanganin ko for my class, and I'm going to run down on all those items one by one at ilalagay ko rin ang presyo kung magkano. So most of these items binili ng sister ko sa Shopee. And manonotice nyo, merong mga common brand names. And then I'm gonna tell you what I think about it later on. So yung una are these So, hindi ako mahilig sa makeup, kaya hindi ko alam kung ano mga pangalan ng mga bagay-bagay na to. I'm more into skincare. So, more on preventive than treatment. Kasi feeling ko ang makeup is treatment na siya. Kasi, di ba, if pangit yung skin mo, may makeupan mo. Kung may pimples ha, may makeupan mo para matabunan or blemishes. Kaya, yun yung feeling ko. More, yung makeup is treatment and enhancement. While skincare is fundamentals. If you have great skin, then konting makeup lang ang kailangan mo. But ewan ko, I'm getting older, so I think I should start wearing more makeup. Kaya yon, I signed up for this class. So, ito yung binili ng sister ko, one of everything. This looks like an egg. Di ko alam kung ano magagamit nito guys. As I've said, I know nothing about makeups. Binili lang to ng sister ko. Yung sister ko rin, wala rin kinalaman sa makeup, kaya follow lang kami ng recommendations. And then, ito yung brushes. Brushes na binili ko. Spoolie, pero ang pangit ng spoolie. Ewan ko kung bakit ganito siya. Diba, pang comb siya ng bushy eyebrows ko. Yan. So, Makeup Academy. Doon ako nagpa-enroll. Ito siya, spoolie. Open natin siya lahat. Ay, baka free yun kasi pangit. Kasi may pink dito na spoolie. May pink rin na spoolie inside. So, baka free yun. Tatlong pink spoolie. Yan. Ito spoolies. Tapos ito. Ewan ko kung ano to. Yan. Tanggalan ko na rin ng plastic. This one. Ewan ko kung good idea na tanggalan ko ng plastic. This one. Sabi ng teacher ko, magandang brand daw to. Bakit kaya? Oh, soft siya. This one. Ganito ata to. Tadaan! Oh, okay. Here's another one. Ay, bawal. Like this. Put it here. All of it here. Ito siya, Careline. If you can see the brand, it's Careline Graph Ink Liner. Ang galing ko na sa lalagyan kasi ang bigat nitong dalhin sa bagahe with all these packagings. And then, meron pa dito ibang Careline products like this one. Another Careline. Hindi ko alam kung bakit favorite ng teacher ko ang Careline or ng Makeup Academy ang Careline kasi I thought it's a cheap brand. At feeling ko hindi siya pigmented. Pero since recommended siya ng makeup teacher natin, baka this is very good. Tingnan natin. And we'll do reviews after. Ito, Glow Careline. Open natin. This has a contour, a blush, and a highlight. Looks like this. Yung tipong packaging na after matanggal, magbibika, mabubuak. And since I just had my LASIK, sabi ng doktor sa akin, I can only wear makeup after 1 month. Kaya no makeup. Hindi na rin ako nag-eye cream. Kasi doon. Oh! Ano to siya? Then ito, pinabili ako ng tip concealer from Shrem. The Shrem. Ewan ko kung anong Shrem. First time ko palang na-hear itong brand na to. Kaya sana hindi tayo mga tech. Made in where? Made in Korea. Let's see. Then ito pang eyelash ata to. Wow, wani ka na! O, kay bilis ng iyong pagdating. Pag alis mo ay sadyang kay bilis din. Infinitude, made in Taiwan. Oh my god, I hate everything made in China. Although everything is made in China. And Taiwan is a province of China. Another concealer. Made in Korea. Ito na naman, another from Careline. I don't know why they like Careline so much. Oh, my tea tree oil shot salicylic acid. Oh wait, I forgot some stuff. Eliana. Bro-ish. But he gives me soft black, pero black. Made in China. Wait, oh, I like this one. This one. Badass face tint. Made in China. Additional products that I got. This is the recommended eyeshadow, Everbelena Pro. And then this one is Careline Full Face Palette Play to Play. So I'm excited to use this. So let's see how it goes. That's it, guys. That's all, guys. Bye-bye.